we are back. First, we are gonna start by making our cookies. Cookies again. Mix it up. Beautiful. Oh, okay. All the sugar into the butter. No, don't touch that butter.
Mama, I want to mix it.
Okay.
Can you make towel, please?
Oh, you're cleaning. Oh, we're cleaning. Whoa.
I love you. You make cookies, Mommy.
I love you. Whoa.
It's just so easy.
Want to do them together?
I did it.
No, what's your real costume?
Mhm.
A minion. Let's move on from this because this is becoming. Look.
Like a purple.
Oh, look at the black frosting.
This is done.
That one's done? Okay. Beautiful. Putting in there and some sprinkles. Oh, ooh, this one's so pretty.
And this is so pretty.
Oh, what? What? Thank you so much.
Ooh.
So gorgeous.
I
Who should we give these cookies to?
True.
True?
Yeah.
How cute! Okay, that was such a good outro, baby. I hope everyone has the best Halloween despite everything, and I hope everyone stays safe. We love you guys.
I love you. Peace out, camera.